Hi, so Jones here with Obaachan. We're starting a new series called Japanese Cooking with Amazon Prime, and yeah, let's open it up. So we have the main ingredients for the takoyaki. It comes with a little bit of seaweed, a little bit of sauce. We got the Kewpie mayonnaise. And we have the sauce. We're gonna get loused in this sauce.
It has sauce. So if you don't got no sauce, then you're lost.
So desu ne. Yeah, sauce. No, that's for something else. You don't have to do that.
Okay, we'll make takoyaki today. Taco means octopus, yaki means to bake or to grill.
So Taco Tuesday.
Okay, I'll cut shrimp.
So that's little baby octopus, octopi. Alright, so we have the traditional ingredients for the takoyaki. You have the octopus, of course, the shrimp, and we have some green onion. And then Obaachan's gonna get a little wild and try some experimenting with some black garlic, blue cheese, bacon, and dark chocolate right after we do the traditional. Stay tuned. Taco and shrimp.
6 tacos and 6 shrimp.
What about the tails?
You wanna use it just for fun?
I'll leave those out. So, 何やってんの?
油 oil.
English?
Canola oil.
About $10 on Amazon Prime. Open this up here. Got the batter. Bit of stuff I don't know yet.
Read the ingredients.
I can't read that.
Why not?
We got tamago. We got taco.
How many tamagos?
2. Tatsu. 2 eggs. $510cc. That's all the same. Takoyaki powder. Like that. And cocoa. So you're
And we'll
scooping.
pour the batter here.
You have a kind of high heat.
Yes. Maybe 6 or 7, I'm not sure.
3/4 heat.
I just tested. Looks okay now. Okay. いきます。Maybe halfway. Okay. じゃあはい。
So,
エビ6つ、タコ6つ、6 of.
oh!
That's okay.
Should I just drop it with the finger?
はい。
Ow. Did I wash my hands? So, 1 piece
Oh, no,
is good?
6 right here.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's mutsu. Watch that video down below if you'd like. Ebi. I'm gonna get a little wild and do a little tail in one. How about that? How about that?
はい。じゃあ、天かす。
What's that mean? The pickled ginger. Oh, this is the tempura flakes with a little bit of squid. It has a little bit of squid bits in it. Check it out. We're gonna throw that in there. Never done this in my life. I like to do new things, What happened? I'll do that right after. We're getting the tempura chunks. They're kind of like Rice Krispies. My fingers feel dirty. I don't know who trusted me to touch all this stuff.
Hi. Beni shoga.
So beni shoga, that is pickled ginger, correct? We got the pink boys. Oh, she said hurry, they're cooking. I'm getting yelled at, folks. Getting yelled at.
Green onion.
Now the green onion's next. You have to be worried about the timing here. They're cooking. They're cooking. Must go quick. The camera's not even sped up. This is just real time.
In the middle.
That's what I was doing. Maybe not. Push in the middle. See that half flip? Like that? So where did you learn this tech from?
I don't know.
You were born with this technique as well?
I went to takoyaki shop many times.
You just watched? Okay. Full flip.
You have to push these
The
in.
chunks down?
Yes.
It's my first time doing this. I don't want to fail you, Sensei Obaachan. So if a girl in Japan tells me I look oishi so, is that good?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you mean?
If she points at me and says oishi so, does that translate okay?
Oishi.
You have food in your teeth. Oh, right here. Not in the teeth, right there. It's like a shrimp tail. You see that?
What?
Zoom in on that.
Don't say.
No, get right here. Get it out there. Wait, they're cooked. They're gonna overcook. See that?
Don't show my face.
No, we got it.
Okay, let's make it crunchy.
Crunchy.
Just add a little bit of oil.
Crispy on the outside, doughy in the middle. Then you have a perfect takoyaki that looks oishi so, just like Jones.
Sound as a shrimp man.
See, a lot of people don't eat the shrimp tail, but I like it. More flavored. And then a lot of collagen. Yeah, collagen. Collagen is big in Japan, so they eat the shrimp tail a lot. Make them look very young. And I need it bad, right? Yep.
できました。
できました. So yes, the batter and the ingredients was Amazon Prime. The shrimp, and she just shocked me. The shrimp and the takoyaki, the octopus you cook beforehand. Get at your local grocery store. And then 2 days you'll get the ingredients from Amazon Prime, and let's dress it up.
はい。
So if you could teach me how to dress these, I have no idea the order.
First, takoyaki sauce.
Sauce.
たこ焼きソースをかけます。
Gucci Mane sauce.
はい。次はマヨネーズです。
So you're doing contrasting direction. You can see there. So we bought this on Amazon Prime. The fish flakes.
いいですか？
These are the ones people like because they move around, look like they're alive.
はい。
Okay.
最後に
What's side?
青のり。青のり入れます。青のりです。
Alright.
じゃあいただきます。
はい、いただきます。
美味しそう。
美味しそう。
はい、いただきます。This is for you, Eric Surf.
Alright, so we're doing a little different takoyaki just for fun. We have some black garlic. We're going to mix it with blue cheese. And we're going to do a bacon and dark chocolate. Kind of a combo that happens in the US a bit. We're going to switch it up for the people that like trying new things. We'll see how it turns out. Oh, you gotta stuff it back in. I'm screwing this one up. Alright, so the experiment is done. We made a little bit of sugar cinnamon dip for the chocolate and bacon ones. The blue cheese and black garlic, we're just gonna eat straight up.
Okay.
And itadakimasu!
いただきます。
Yeah.
はい。これはブラックチーズ。ブラックチーズ。ブラックガーリック。
Yep.
Black garlic and what? Cream cheese?
Blue cheese.
Oh, blue cheese.
She doesn't know what she's putting in. She doesn't have no
Today
idea.
At night, I'm
Not
drunk.
bad. Too much Sapporo.
はい、そうです。いただきます。
Itadakimasu.
はい。これブラックガーリック
Ah, pretty good. A little smoky. A lot of cream.
おいしい
A。lot of cream going. Alright, so Obaachan. Just want to learn more about you and your life in Japan. So I wanted to ask, do you have like, what's the main memory that you remember about high school? Like maybe just a certain day?
High school?
Yeah, was there like a goofy day you had ever? A day in high school?
Oh, in high school,
Mm-hmm.
I was not good at math. I hated math class.
Uh-huh.
And then the teacher told students to come up to the blackboard and write the answers. And everybody wrote correct answers except me.
And then what happened?
The teacher was so sorry for me and he wrote the correct answer.
Real quick for you?
Yeah.
Aw.
That's nice. That's
How
nice.
old were you?
So in my high school, 15.
15. So did you get better at math eventually or no?
Oh yeah, later my friend was very good at math. So I got some advice from her and then worked on basic math. And I just worked and worked and worked hard.
And then you got better at it.
Oh, much better.
So what's her name so you could thank her now?
Her nickname was Roko-chan.
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 So thanks Roko-chan, right? Yeah. If you're out there watching, there you go, you helped her. So this was the first episode of Japanese Cooking with Amazon Prime. Here you go. Let us know below in the comments what you would like us to cook next, and thank you for the delicious meal, Obaachan. And let us know what you think.
Okay. And thank you for watching. Please.
Like and subscribe.
どうもありがとう。じゃあまたね。